Since the dawn of humanity, the cosmos has captivated our imagination. The vastness of the universe has challenged us to reach out and explore the unknown. Today, we embark on a journey through time to trace the history of space exploration. Join us as we delve into the milestones and discoveries that have shaped our understanding of the cosmos. The history of rocketry can be traced back to ancient China, where gunpowder and fireworks propelled objects into the sky. Over time, visionaries like Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, Robert Goddard, and Hermann Oberth laid the foundation for modern rocket science, paving the way for liquid-fueled rockets and space travel. The development of rocketry accelerated during World War II, with the creation of the German V-2 rocket, the first long-range guided ballistic missile. After the war, both the United States and the Soviet Union seized V-2 technology and experts to advance their own rocket programs. As the world plunged into the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union engaged in a fierce competition to conquer space. The space race began with the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. This groundbreaking achievement sent shockwaves across the globe, propelling the United States to accelerate its own space program, Project-Vanguard. With the space race in full swing, both superpowers turned their focus to human spaceflight. The Soviet Union's Vostok program made history with Yuri Gagarin, becoming the first human in space and completing one orbit around Earth. Meanwhile, the United States launched project-Mercury, with Alan Shepard becoming the first American astronaut in space, followed by John Glenn, the first American to orbit Earth. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy made a bold declaration that the United States would send a man to the moon and return him safely to Earth before the end of the decade. The Apollo program was born, and despite a tragic setback in 1967, with the Apollo 1 fire, NASA persevered. On July 20, 1969, Apollo 11 astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made history as they set foot on the lunar surface. The moon landing marked the pinnacle of the space race, and the United States had achieved what many thought was impossible. The Apollo program continued with 6 successful lunar landings, concluding with Apollo 17 in 1972. With the moon landing accomplished, the focus shifted towards reusable spacecraft and long-term missions. The Space Shuttle Program revolutionized space travel, enabling the deployment and repair of satellites, as well as the construction of the International Space Station. The International Space Station, a collaboration between the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada, has been continuously inhabited since 2000, providing invaluable research opportunities in various fields. Robotic missions have revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Unmanned spacecraft like Mariner, Pioneer, Voyager, Galileo, Cassini, Mars rovers, and New Horizons have ventured far beyond Earth, exploring our solar system and beyond. The Hubble-space-telescope, launched in 1990, has provided stunning images of distant galaxies and deep space phenomena. In recent years, we have entered a new era of space exploration. Driven by the desire for affordable access to space, private companies have emerged as major players in the industry. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are developing reusable rockets, space tourism, and ambitious projects to colonize other planets. Meanwhile, international cooperation remains strong, with nations like China, India, and the United Arab Emirates launching their own space missions. NASA's Artemis Program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2024 and establish a sustainable lunar presence, while the European Space Agency and Russia's Roscosmos plan a joint mission to Mars. And as our technological capabilities expand, the search for extraterrestrial life continues with missions like the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite (TSS) and the upcoming Plato mission. From ancient Chinese fireworks to the cutting-edge technology of today, the history of space exploration is a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and our innate desire to explore the unknown. As we stand on the threshold of a new era in space travel, we look forward to the discoveries and challenges that lie ahead. Together, we venture forth into the cosmos, ever curious, ever seeking, bound only by the limits of our imagination. The Odyssey of Space Exploration continues.